doing good. So girls, today we are going to start with the chapter square and square roots. I asked you to learn the square up till 25. We'll discuss that. We'll discuss that squares, or I'll take a small oral revision of that square in the next live session we'll have. So today we are going to start with this chapter, square and square roots. So what is a square of a number? First of all, coming to the square of the number is just like this. Anything to the powers 2, like 4 to the power 2, which means 4 into 4, that is 16. So this is called 16 is square of 4. Say 6 square. 6 into 6 is 36. So this is 36 is the square of 6. Like this, these are the squares of the number. We have the squares of we can have the square of every number, right? So you have to learn it till 25. Like 1 square is 1, 2 square, 2 2s are 4. Then 3 square, 3 into 3 is 9. Then 4 square, 4 into 4 is 16. 5 square, 5 into 5 is 25. Like this, you have to learn the squares of the number up till 25. This will be used in the square roots. That's why I'm making you learn, because it will make the square root more easy for you. So this is the square. Square you have studied earlier also. You know how to solve the power. Coming to the main topic, that is the square roots. What are the square roots of a number? The square root is, see, 4 square is 16. Okay? So we say that this 4 is square root of 16. ये 16 का square root है. Okay? 16 is square of 4 or 4 is square root of 16. Like 3 square is 9. So 3 is called square root of 9. This is square root of 9, that is 3. Okay? So this is what the square root is. Also, we write the square root like this. This is the sign of square root. How do we make this? See once again. Like this, tick, and this. This is the sign of square root. Square root of 9. So square root of 9 is 3. So this is 3. Now how we know that the square root of 9 is 3? How do we do this? Suppose this is square root of 9 we have to do. What are we going to do? We'll put this sign. 9 is 3 into 3. Okay, what is 9? 3 into 3. So what do we do in square root? If there are 2 numbers, we take 1 out of it. Okay? There are 2 numbers, 3 and 3. We'll take 1 out of this and this will become 3. This means square root of 9 is 3. Out of 2 we picked 1. Let us see for 25. 25 is 5 into 5. Out of 2 I am going to write 1 here and the sign will be removed. So square root of 25 is 5. Okay, so this is what the square root is. This is the sign. 5 into 5 we wrote. 5 into 5 will give us a single 5 outside and the sign will be removed. So the square root of 25 is 5. Coming further, there is a term used, perfect square. We use a term, perfect square. Now what is this perfect square? Perfect square is, say, square root of 16 we are finding. 4 into 4 is 4. We got the perfect answer. That means this is 16 is a perfect square. Okay, Understand it this way. Suppose I'm writing here 17. Can 17 be break into any such number like this? 4 into 4, 5 into 5, any such number like this? No. We can't find any answer for this क्योंकि हम इसको ऐसे break नहीं कर सकते. That means this is not a perfect square. Okay? Say we can get 36. 36 is 6 into 6. So your answer will be 6. That means 36 is a perfect square. But if I ask you for 44, is 44 a perfect square? 44 can be written as 4 into 11. But no two numbers are same. We can't get any answer for square root. So this is not a perfect square. Okay? That means in the numbers in which we are getting the exact answer, like square root of 16 is 4. We are getting the exact answer. So that means the 16 is a perfect square, right? 36, square root of 36 is 6. We are getting a perfect answer. That means 36 is a perfect square. Perfect square हम इस number को बोलेंगे. Okay? So 16 is a perfect square. 36 is a perfect square. If I talk about 17, so 17 is not a perfect square. Okay? You can also write it, understand it this way. जिसका भी स्क्वायर एग्जिस्ट करता है, जो भी स्क्वायर आता है, लाइक 2 का स्क्वायर इज 4, सो 4 इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. 3 का स्क्वायर इज 9, सो 9 इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. 4 का स्क्वायर इज 16, so 16 is a perfect square. Okay? So like this also you can understand. So this is square, square root and perfect square. Right? So the questions that are in the exercises: finding the square root, check whether the number is a perfect square or not, or how can you make it a perfect square. Like this the questions are there. So for finding the square root, first of all finding the square root, there are two methods that we are going to study. So first let us start with method number 1. Method 1 is prime factorization. The very first method that we are going to study to find a square root. This is a method to find square root. Okay, this is the first method to find square root, that is prime factorization. How do we do this method? We are going to start with the exercise first question. Exercise 3A, question number first part. That is, using prime factorization method, find which of the following are perfect square or not. First of all, let us learn prime factorization using first part, then we'll understand the question. Okay? So prime factorization is what kind of method? See, this is 400. We are going to find the factors of 400, right? So how we are going to do this? 2 2s are 4, 2 2 5s are 2, 25, 5 5s are 5, 1s are. Okay, so we got the factors. We are going to write it this way. 400 is equal to 2 2 this is your factorization that we have written, right? Now we have to find the square root. We are going to find the square root. Square root will put the sign. किसका find करना है हमें? 400 का. हमने इसको square root के अंदर 400 हमारा किसके इक्वल आया था? ये सारे factors हैं. We are going to write the factors here. Okay. Let's come back to this. Suppose we were finding square root of 16. ये क्या था? 4 into 4. दो में से एक नंबर हमने बाहर लिख दिया था. That means we were kind of doing the pairing, right? Pairing हो रही थी numbers की. We were doing the kind of, it is a pairing. So here also we are going to do the same thing. We are going to pair the numbers. How? This 2 and 2 will form one pair. This 2 and 2 will form second pair. This 5 and 5 will form third pair. Okay, we are going to do the pairing of numbers. This is called pairing the numbers. जैसे यहाँ था, this was one pair. Out of these two, one came out. So here also we are going to pair the numbers. This two will form one pair, this two will form one pair, this two will form one pair. For one pair, दो में से, like out of two we were taking only one number. So यहाँ भी इन दोनों में से will take only 1, 2. ऐसे ही इन दोनों में से we are going to take it 1. ऐसे ही इन दोनों में से we are going to take it 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Square root of 400 is 20. That means 20 multiplied by 20 will give you 400. This is what the prime factorization method is. What we did, we found the factors of 400. These are the factors. We put the sign of square roots. 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 5 into 5. We did the pairing. This 2 1 pair, this 2 1 pair, this 2 1 pair. इन दोनों 2 में से 1 2 is here. इन दोनों 2 में से 1 is there. इन दोनों में से 1 is there. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So 20 is the square root. And they have asked, you have to check whether it is a perfect square or not. You got the exact answer, right? Whenever, like here we learned that whenever you get the exact answer, so 16 is a perfect square. Here you got the exact answer 20. So yes, 400 is a perfect square. So this is your method number 1, that is prime factorization method to find a square root of a number. Okay, now let us learn the second question. Second part we'll do 768. The second part is 768. Seven, 6, 8. We have to find the square root of 7, 6, 8 or we have to check whether it is a perfect square or not. अगर आपको check करना है perfect square है कि नहीं है, or you have to find the square root, so we are going to use the same method. If the question is check whether it is a perfect square or not. Perfect square कैसे पता चलता है? If we get the perfect answer, square root का हमें proper answer मिल जाएगा, that means yes, it is a perfect square. और अगर आंसर नहीं मिलेगा, so that means it is not a perfect square, right? So हम यहाँ चेक करेंगे whether हमें 768 का perfect answer मिलता है या नहीं. So this is 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8. This is for 768. Let us write the factors. 768 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 1 3 is there. Under root of 768. Under root of 768, we put the sign of square root. We call it under root also. 2 into 2 into 2. These are the factors. Now what is the next step? What are we going to do? Pairing here, right? After this, what is the next step? We are going to do the pairing. So this 2 forms the one pair. These 2 form the one pair. These 2 form one pair. These 2 form one pair. Now 3 is left alone. We don't have any pairing for 3, right? 3 की pairing 3 के साथ ही हो सकती थी. 3 into 3 will form one pair. But we don't have any pairing for 3 here. So we will leave 3 as it is. इन दोनों में से एक 2 बाहर आ जाएगा. 2 में से एक बाहर आता है. इन दोनों में से 1 will get. Out of these 2 again 1 will get. Out of these 2 again 1 will get. But for 3 there is no pairing, so we are going to write it under root 3 only. Okay, so this will be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, or under root 3 will continue this way, right? So now for 768 we don't get the perfect answer. The answer is coming in root only. Root का sign नहीं हटा है, ठीक है. So we are not getting the perfect answer. That means 768 is not a perfect square. ये एक perfect square नहीं है. Right? So 768 is not a perfect square. What we did, we found the factors of 768. We write it in under root. We did the pairing. 2 into 2, 2 into 2. We did the pairing part. 3 did not have any pair. It was left alone. So we'll write it like this only under root 3. Rest all was written without under root because we got the pairing. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 root 3 we got. We didn't got the perfect answer. The answer is coming in root. That means this is not a perfect square. Okay? After this, we'll come to one more part. That is 9025, fifth part. Let us do the factors. 5, 8s are 40, 5 3s are 15, 3 is 61. This will go by 19 only. 19, 19s are 19 ones are. Yes, so this will be by 19 only. So 9025 has the factors 5 into 5 into 19 into 19. So square root of 9025 will be square root of 5 into 5 into 19 into 19. Again we'll do the pairing. 5 and 5 will form one pair. 19 and 19 will form one pair. Out of one pair we get only one number. 5 will get, 19 will get. And 19 5s are 95. That means square root of 9025 is 95. Since we are getting a proper answer, that means yes, it is a perfect square. 9205 is a perfect square. Okay. So this was your first question. Do it. The left out part, do it in the practice notebook. On Saturday, we'll continue with the second question. I'll take a live class also on Saturday. So we'll continue with the second question. Okay.